Hello everybody. Recently there is a lot of buzz in the news of electric two-wheeler market as Ola have launched its electric vehicles in the market. So let us understand why exactly automobile sector is focusing more towards electric two-wheelers. What growth we are seeing in the electric two-wheelers today and who are the major player in this segment. Talking about the automobile sector in 2020, India was the fifth largest auto market with 3.49 million units combined sold in passenger and commercial vehicle category. It was the seventh largest manufacturers of commercial vehicles in 2019. Now due to growing middle class and the young populations, the two-wheeler vehicles are dominating in terms of volume. In addition, various initiatives was taken by Indian government and major automotive manufacturers are projected to propel India to the forefront of the global two-wheelers and four-wheelers market. The domestic Indian car market is dominated by the two-wheelers and the passenger automobiles in financial year 20. The two-wheelers accounted for 80.8% market share, accounting for sales of 9,95,097 units. This is what the reason that all the major players in the Indian market are more focused on the two-wheeler because they see a huge demand in terms of volume in two-wheeler sector. And now we will look at the questions why they are shifting towards electric vehicles. So firstly, India stands to gain on several fronts by shifting to electric vehicles because it has a relative wealth of renewable energy supplies and competent personnel in the technology and manufacturing industries. Apart from this, the transportation sectors account for 18% of the total energy consumption in India. This translates to an estimate of 94 million tons of oil equivalent energy. If India were to follow the same current trend of energy consumption, it would require an estimated of 200 million tons of oil equivalent energy supply chain annually by the year 2030 to meet the demand of this sector. At the moment, this demand is being met mostly through imported crude oil, which therefore make this sector vulnerable to volatile international crude oil price. Moreover, this sector contributes in an estimation of 142 million tons of CO2 emission annually, out of which 123 million of tons is contributed by the road transportation segment only. Keeping in view the climate change commitments made by Government of India during COP 2021 summit held at the Paris to reduce the emission intensity by 33 and 35% by 2030 from 2005 levels, it is pertinent to introduce alternative means in transportation sector, which can be coupled with India's rapid economic growth, rising urbanization, travel demand and country's energy security. Electric mobility presents a viable alternative in addressing these challenges. When packed with innovative pricing solutions, appropriate technology and support infrastructure and thus has been on the radar of Indian government. So now combining both huge demand in two-wheeler electric vehicles in market and a support by government in development of electric vehicles has provided an excellent chance to the private companies in India to focus on two-wheeler electric vehicle. So talking about electric two-wheeler segment in a bit depth, it could be divided into following categories. The global electric two-wheelers market is divided into three categories on the basis of type, on the basis of battery and on the basis of voltage. On the basis of type, the electric two-wheelers market is divided into two types, that is electric motorcycles and electric scooters. On the basis of battery, the worldwide electric two-wheeler market is divided into three categories, that is sealed lead-acid battery, lithium-ion battery and other. In 2020, the sealed lead-acid category has the largest market share over here. And on the basis of voltage, the electric two-wheeler market is divided into four categories, that is 24 volt, 36 volt, 48 volt and more than 48 volt. And over here, 48 volt category has the greatest market share in 2020. Moving on, we all are aware that Ola has finally launched the scooter. The electric scooter is available in two modes, that is S1 and S1 Pro. According to the firm, the pricing is aggressive with pricing starting at 9,999 and up to rupees 1,29,999. The two versions was created for two distinct audience. The base model S1 is aimed at those who have tight budgets and want low-cost electric vehicles solution. The S1 Pro, on the other hand, is aimed at those who are looking for high-performance electric scooter. When it comes to price, it will be lower in the state that provides electric car incentives. For example, in Gujarat, the S1 will cost 80k while the S1 Pro would cost you rupees 1.1 lakh. On the other state have also been granted similar incentive. In terms of technological specifications, the S1 will come standard with an 2.98 kWh lithium-ion battery, while the S1 Pro on the other hand will have a larger battery, that is 3.97 kWh lithium-ion battery. When it comes to the range, the S1 can go up to 121 km on a single charge. In addition, S1 Pro has a range of 181 km, which is remarkably given the competition. With both the models, the firm will be providing 750 watt of charging. The latter allows the base model to be fully charged in 4 hours and 48 minutes. And if we talk about the S1 Pro, it takes around 6 hours and 30 minutes to get fully charged. But he is not only the player who is working on the EV two-wheelers. On the same day, Simply Energy One has launched its first electric scooter. He has officially launched one electric scooter in the Indian market at a price of 1.10 lakh. The range of the Simply Energy One is the most essential element, since the firm claims that it has double the range of the Ather electric scooter. The scooter is distinguished by the two key features: a large battery pack and a sustainable weight of both of which contributes to the outstanding range up to 240 km. At 110 kg, the cub's weight is among the lowest in the class. In terms of technical specification, the scooter will be fitted with an 4.5 kW motor that will allow to reach a peak speed of 105 km per hour. Considering that it has an electric scooter, the numbers are pretty well good. In addition, the Simply Energy One has a remarkable range of 240 km on a single charge. When it comes to a battery pack, it has 4.8 kWh lithium-ion battery that can be easily charged and replaced. With the aid of home charger, the firm says the battery pack can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 2.75 hours, and with a quick charger, the figure can be improved more. Other than these two brands, there are more brands available in the market. Let us see what those other brands are. So the first we have the Ampere Zeal is a high-performance electric scooter with 1.8 kWh portable lithium-ion battery that takes around 5 hours to completely charge. When completely charged, a 1200 watt motor can be powered up to an 80 km of a range, and with a top speed of 55 km per hour. Ultra lightweight chassis make it an excellent ride for elderly as well as riders with physical impairments who are unable to ride large vehicles. So the scooter comes with a 3-year guarantee, which is valuable features that will appeal to many first-time buyers. Okinawa Ridge Plus is powered by an 800 volt BLDC motor with a peak speed of 55 km per hour. A large digital speedometer provides the rider with a clear readout of all the parameters and data, making it a particular appealing features for the senior riders. The battery can be completely charged in 3 hours and has a range of 90 km per charge. The scooter ABS functions may be the most appealing in this price range. The next is Hero Electric Optima E2. The Hero brand alone ensures that this scooter will be dependable and suitable for the ordinary Indian riders, as well as suitable for country roads. A 250 watt battery alone allows for a peak speed of 25 km per hour, but a 5-year battery guarantee allows buyer to feel claimer about the scooter's life and the maintenance without incurring significant cost. For many consumers, the vehicle's inexpensive cost and the light vehicle constructions make it a perfect choice for the rider. The next is Ather 450X. An electric scooter designed and built wholly in India has to be on the list, and it manages to compete with some of the finest rivals. The scooter is a good choice for Indian road since it has 3 riding modes with customizable characteristics. A super 300 watt battery aids in the production of basic amount of electricity, allowing the vehicle to reach a speed of 80 km with an average range of 65 km per charge. The sleek scooter that will draw the attention of anybody who sees to it. The next is Bajaj Chetak EV. To keep up with the changes, the famous Indian scooter has reintroduced in 2019 as an electric scooter. It has a 3 kW battery that can be fully charged in 5 hours and has a range of 85 to 95 km. 3800 BLDC motor can propel you to a speed of 78 km per hour, which is quite fast for the Indian road. With a 3-year battery guarantee, this classic scooter is the finest choice of Indian right now. The next in the list is Detail EV. This electric scooter, which costs about 19,999, does not require a license and it can be purchased by anybody. The electric vehicle base speed is 25 km per hour thanks to a 250 power watt motor. Even though it's a very light and tiny scooter, it has a range of 60 km when completely charged. The scooter also comes up with a 3-year battery guarantee, making it an excellent choice for a city transportation purpose. The next is TVS iQube. To maintain its status as a two-wheeler manufacturing and marketing in India, TVS has entered the electric scooter industry. After completely charging a large 4.5 kilowatt battery, can provide a range of 75 km with a top speed of 78 km per hour. Despite the fact that this scooter is only accessible in few regions of India, the TVS promises it will be soon available throughout the country. The next is ePluto 7G with an 1500 watt BLDC capable of pushing the speed of 65 km per hour. The scooter can compete with some of the top alternative on the list. The greatest choice on this is 2.5 kilowatt battery, which may provide a wide range more than 100 kilometers. This scooter is also a great choice for any city because of its excellent suspension system. It comes with a price tag of 79,999. This scooter might be an excellent choice for a novice or a seasoned rider seeking for a good deal. The next is Hero Photon. This scooter, manufactured by Hero Electric, maintains the brand tradition of a mileage with a range of 110 km on a single charge. A motor with 1000 watt of electricity may reach a peak speed of 48 km per hour. The 2.7 kilowatt battery can be completely charged in 4 hours and comes with a 4-year of manufacturing guarantee. The scooters may be an excellent alternative for any riders because of the brand name and the low price of as little over 80,000. So as we see that the electronic vehicles is now capturing the market, which is leading towards growth of automobile sector. There are several other brands who are trying to come up with more different features to compete with the existing product. So it may be possible that we can see more and more companies contributing towards it. So what do you all think? What will be the scope of automobile sector in the near future according to you? Do comment it and let us know in the comment section below.